Good morning, guys. So this is what I do. Mornings, I take my dog out for a poopy and a pee pee, and I have her on the leash just because we don't have a fenced backyard yet. So yeah, but we have a big backyard, so she sometimes we let her loose when only when we're playing fetch. But this is what I do. I come outside. Today is a beautiful morning. It is like 60 or 65, not that cold. It is beautiful. I get to enjoy the leaves falling and all these beautiful trees in my backyard. They're just so tall and beautiful. All right, and I am back, guys. I am going to make myself a cup of coffee. Also, I just bought this. It's not the mini Keurig. It's kind of like the skinny Keurig, and I absolutely love it. It fits like a lot of water. I am working on my coffee station. I am gonna move this from here, and I cannot wait to show you my coffee area because I cannot wait to decorate it. I usually decorate like my coffee station. Guys, and I've been obsessed with apple waffles. I am going to make them right now. I actually seen this recipe on YouTube from this girl. I cannot remember her name, but there's a bunch of recipes. So let's go ahead and get to cook because I am starving. All right, so I'm going to heat up the pan, guys. I already have the butter right here. Alrighty, guys, so I'm about to get ready. I'm going to church, and I'm in front of my window. I love my bedroom window. It is so big, and the trees are just so big out in my backyard. So, you know, it looks lovely just because it's November. The leaves are like completely changed into like yellow, orange. Just beautiful. I just love it. All right, so I'm gonna quickly do my makeup. I really haven't been doing my makeup a lot lately. Like I think for the past year, you know, I've been just putting a little bit of like powder, blush, a little bit of mascara, sometimes eyeliner. I seriously don't even use my eyeshadow palettes, and I have like 15 or 20 of them. That's something that I have to go through and see what I'm gonna keep and what I'm not. So anyway, let's go ahead and get started. I'm gonna do just a little soft glam, church glam. So I am going to start by combing my eyebrows. And that's about it. And a little bit of perfume. This is my all-time fave, Romance by Ralph Lauren. Alright, so this is how it looks, you guys. Wow, my freckles look so like they pop right now. So yeah, this is what I did. Soft glam, going to church. So this is what I'm wearing, just some black jeans, a light sweater, and some gray boots. I really love these boots. Okay guys, so I went to church. I then went to eat with my husband, and then we came home. I dropped them off and I went to Target. You know, all the Christmas decor is out there already, and I just couldn't help myself, you know, even though I'm not gonna decorate just yet, but I wanna like buy little things here and there. So like that, whenever I do decorate, you know, I have options to like, you know, put here and there, like on my fireplace, like on top of my, like on my mantle, by my fireplace. I do want to buy like at least one or another or two, maybe like a throw pillow, like a Christmas throw pillow. I'm feeling like snowflakes, you know. I want like a neutral Christmas theme, kind of like last year. Not a lot of red, maybe not at all, but I don't know, you know, red equals Christmas. I don't know, you know. So anyway, let me just show you what I got. All right, so the first thing I want to show you, this coffee mug right here. Oh my God, you guys, I absolutely love it. And I love it because this is like a ginger cookie, like a gingerbread cookie maybe, or just like a, you know, sugar cookie. And I love it. It does have red, which, you know, I love, you know, it's just like a Christmas vibe, you know, but I also love it because it had like this warm tone to it, like a brownish color, so like a ginger brown. And I really, really love it, you guys. So at Target for like $4.99, I believe. So I love coffee mugs, you guys. Okay, next, I've been wanting to buy these little houses. Like every time I pass through the like the $1 through $5 aisle at Target, like they have like these little houses every year, right? Sometimes they're different, sometimes like they're different colors. But this, I think they only have like white, black, ivory color this year. So they do have lights. I need to put like some batteries in here, but I'm planning to put this on top of my sink, like on my kitchen where my window is, on top of my sink, maybe like with the pine, like a little Christmas tree, or maybe like some white poinsettias. I don't know, but I think it is going to look absolutely cute, cozy, and I just can't wait to put batteries in this and light it up. It's really, really nice. It is a good size. They had this size. They have this size, a smaller one, in I think this is the medium. So they have large, medium, and small. And this is the one I got. I thought, you know, this was perfect for like where I want to put it over my sink. And I think I'm gonna go back for more. Maybe I could put it like on top of my mantle, or whenever I, you know, move my husband's office over here and put like an end table with like some decor. I'm not sure yet what I'm going to do with my corner over here. If you've seen my last video, I show you like my fall decor tour. I just want to get rid of it, you guys. But yeah, I thought this was cute, and it was only $5. And I'm gonna have to put batteries in this today. Like, I cannot wait. Okay, and of course, as soon as you're going into Target, they have like all these little tiny Christmas trees, like very tiny, and then like small Christmas trees, and then these kind of like, well, this is a small Christmas tree actually. They have like bigger Christmas trees, like mini Christmas trees, like little Christmas trees, but this one, I think the right size to go over my sink. I'm planning maybe, if I don't put like white poinsettias, maybe I could do like this little Christmas tree with the little house, you know, like with the lights and stuff. I think it's going to look very, very cute. Although I do want to buy like a little white snowman with the little brown branches. You know, I think it will look so cute together, like the house, the snowman, and this little Christmas tree on top of like I said, my sink. I wash a lot of dishes, you guys. You know, I don't use my dishwasher. I don't know if that's like a Hispanic thing, but I just don't use it. I think I need to though. I'm gonna try it. I'm gonna give it a try. I'm gonna give it a chance, you know. But anyway, so this little Christmas tree, $3. I think they're so cute. They're so simple, but so cute, so Christmassy. This is like the little, this is like Christmas vibe, you know. So maybe I'm gonna buy another one to put in my restroom, in my guest restroom, so you know, it could be like Christmas all over my house. So yeah, this is the tree. And I love the green color. It's not too light, not too dark, you know? You guys, I love this throw blanket. I seen it. I wanted to get like, you know, because every time, like I change my throw blanket every season. Like, no, well, actually not for spring and summer. Spring and summer, they're like light, flory colors. I don't know, you know. But anyway, so far, and I have like a pumpkin spice throw blanket. But for this Christmas, I wanted to do like a pine green color, you know, like a forest green, not theme, but like color, you know, like neutrals and like green, like just like a wintry theme, you know what I mean? Like pine cones and Christmas trees, like white and like forest green and snowflakes. So yeah, but I got this throw pillow. This is from, not from Opal, but this is from Wonder Shop at Target, and this is this is the perfect size. This is, I love the size of it. So it says Merry all over, and I love it. Love. So cozy and so warm. Look at this, you guys. Oh my God. I love that it only says Merry, you know, not like Merry Christmas or something like that. I just love, you know, I just love it. I just absolutely love it. And then it has white on the inside. And then, like I said, this forest green. So cozy and so beautiful. Alright, you guys, so that was it for my mini Christmas haul. Like I said, I still want to buy little things here and there. I do want to hit Marshall's for like a big candle. You know, like they sell like the huge mega candles. I do want to buy a huge candle just because I do burn candles a lot. And I've been, you know, noticing that when I buy the big ones, like they last more than the smaller ones, because I go through the Bath and Body Works candles like so fast, you know. Anyway, so that was it for my mini haul. I hope you enjoyed this video, you guys. I'm gonna end it here, and don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Mwah.